Electric vehicles. How electric vehicles run. EVs are like an automatic car. Electric vehicles, EVs, run on electricity stored in a battery, which powers an electric motor to propel the vehicle. Here's a simplified overview of the key components and process. Main components. Battery pack stores electrical energy, typically lithium-ion batteries. Electric motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Power electronics controller manages the flow of electrical energy. Onboard charger charges the battery pack from an external power source. Thermal management system regulates battery temperature. How it works. Charging. The onboard charger converts AC power from a charging station or wall socket to DC power, which charges the battery pack. Power flow. When the vehicle is started, the power electronics controller draws energy from the battery pack. Motor activation. The controller sends electrical energy to the electric motor, which converts it into torque, rotational force. Propulsion. The torque propels the vehicle forward, backward, or provides regenerative braking. Regenerative braking. During braking, the motor becomes a generator, capturing kinetic energy and converting it back into electrical energy, which recharges the battery pack. Thermal management. The system monitors and regulates battery temperature to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Additional benefits. Zero tailpipe emissions. Lower operating costs. Smooth and quiet ride. Instant torque.